Good morning guys, in front of me is DUOQIN F22 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is to click on off button, just tap and hold. Keep holding, just a few more seconds. And once you see the logo, you can remove finger from button and wait till your phone is rebooted and ready to use again. And that's it. Now just unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up. Wakey wakey. Okay, let's do it this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.